Hi, welcome back to Picky and MultiValue. Today we're going to take a look at creating a simple I-descriptor for a file. An I-descriptor is essentially a calculated value in a file. It's essentially a simple program where you can return some sort of calculation that you can enter in. Let me show you a concrete example. It'll make more sense. Let me create a simple file here. So I'm going to create file. I'm going to create an employees file. Create file employees. List dict employees, see the default dictionary, which would just be the ID. So I'm going to insert into this dictionary. Let's create 3 fields, last name, first name, and let's say hourly wage to start. So I'm going to go add dict employee last name, insert mode, D for data type, field number 1, and file to save and quit. Add dict employee first name, insert mode with I, D, field number 2, save and quit on that. I can do save and quit to show you the difference between file and save and quit. Next, let's put in the hourly wage field, add dict employees hourly wage, insert D, field number 3, and let's output that as a as kind of a money output. So MD2 with a $sign in front of it. That's going to be 2 decimals. File. Okay, so now if I go list dict employees, I'll see the dictionary that I created for this file. Let's pop in some sample data where we can actually have an output when we create the I-descriptor. So I'm going to go add employees. Let's say that they're stored in some sort of, maybe a social security number, something like that. Insert mode, so last name, let's put in Doe, John, and let's say that he makes $19 in hourly wage. Put 2 zeros at the end since we're talking about an MD2 with 2 decimal points. Blank line to exit out of insert mode and file to save and quit. So now if I go list employees, last name, first name, hourly wage, I'll see the output that I put in with the 19 formatted as 19.00. So let's get into actually creating the I-descriptor. The I-descriptor, let's make a kind of an output to show the yearly salary based on the hourly wage. So an I-descriptor is just a different dictionary entry as opposed to type D. It's going to be a type I. So I'm going to go add dict employees and then the name of the record I want to create. Let's say yearly salary, for instance. Going to go I for insert mode. So like as I said before, as opposed to it's not a D type, it's an I type. Then I'm going to type in the actual formula that I want to use, essentially it's like a basic program. So I'm going to take hourly wage. Let's multiply that times 8 hours a day, multiply that times 5 days a week, and let's say 52 weeks in a year. And let's output that as an MD2 with a $sign in front as well. File to save and quit. Now you have to always compile the I-descriptors before they're used, and that can be used with the command compile dict or normally shortened to just CD. CD, file name, employees, and you can actually just do that to compile the entire file with all the I-descriptors, or you can just compile the one that you want. CD employees yearly salary. So now if I go list employees, last name, first name, hourly wage, yearly salary, we'll see that now the yearly salary has been calculated based on the hourly wage. It's not some sort of field I need to maintain. It's actually been automatically calculated directly based on what is in field number 3. So that's how you create a very simple I-descriptor in a multi-value system. Thanks.